frictionless contactless braking system. This is a lithium ion battery. This is a on off switch. DC motor 12 volt 40 watts 1500 rpm, 3000 rpm DC motor. This is low joint coupling. And shaft 8 mm shaft and bearing. This is bearing and bearing cap. This is the aluminum disc plate. 8-inch diameter, thickness 2 mm thickness. This is a 2 high power magnet. 2 magnet, neodymium high power magnet. So fitted on the center of that one. Light blast akunta. So this is the 2 magnets. Gap between 2 magnets is 6 mm gap. Here and here. So north and south pole you go to just on that opposite direction. Frame all are made of mild steel frame. This is the lever arrangement. So this is the lever arrangement. So now you go to switch on the switch. The disc plate will be rotating. So now brake will be applied. So rotating. Brake will be applied. So this is the contactless braking system. Now you have to switch off the things. It will be slowly. It will be stop. In that one, you have to switch off. Suddenly it will be off. So at the time, switch on time also it will be braking will be applied. No need to switch off. We are differentiate only. We are switch on and off the things, but no need to switch on off. Running time also it will be stop the disc. This is a non-iron material, aluminum disc, aluminum, copper, anything you have to use. Now we are using here is the aluminum plates. So this is permanent magnet. So this is a contactless permanent magnetic braking system, frictionless contactless braking system. Frictionless contactless magnetic braking system. This is the frame, L-angle frame, 1 inch into 1 inch, 3 mm thickness, mild steel, length 22 inch length, 12 inch breadth, 12 inch height. And this is the disc plate, copper disc plate. This is bearing gap, shaft 8 mm diameter shaft. This is low joint coupling. Then this is DC motor, 12 volt, 40 watts, 3000 rpm DC motor. This is on off switch. This is lithium ion battery, 3.75 volt lithium ion battery. This is the 2 permanent magnet in opposite condition, north to south. So 2 high power magnets. So 2 magnet will be there. So north to south. So in opposite direction. Now we go to switch on the supply. The disc plate will be rotating. The plate will be rotating. After that, you go to apply the brake, automatically it will be stopped. So this is the contactless magnetic braking system. One problem. Similarly, this is on running time also brake will be applied. So suppose if you want to switch off time, so 5 seconds after that it will be stopping. After 5 seconds it will be stopping. Now suppose if you have to apply the magnetic brake, suddenly in 1 second it will be off. In 1 second it will be off. Similarly, if you have to switch off, 1 second it will be off. Half an hour only 1 second. So this is also due working. So running condition also the brake will be applied. This is the rechargeable battery. It will be running on 10 minutes, 20 minutes. After that you have to recharge the battery. Giving that battery shaft, it will be recharging.